favorite investors. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and I'm at the second toll gate. This is the houses of Lekki, Lagos State, Nigeria. Here I have 5-bedroom fully detached duplex with a swimming pool, and this is a smart house. So I'll be taking you on a house tour, and I want you to stay with me on this house tour. This is a beautiful home here in Lekki, Lagos State, Nigeria, and I don't want you to miss out on this because this is going for 290 million naira, and it's a smart home. This is a contemporary design here. I know you want something beautiful, something smart. I have it for you here. This is 5-bedroom fully detached duplex with a BQ and a swimming pool. So come with me on this road tour. And before I go in this house, we also have school beside us here and the hospital directly in front of your home. This is a self-serviced home with a generator. It comes with a carport. It's very well decorated. Look at the beautification around this home. This is superb. This is cash and carry. Pay today and you move in today. This is the best time to do this. So follow me on this house tour, and I'm sure you will love what you see. So let's go in. So you can see this has a very big parking lot. Look at this. This will park about 5 cars conveniently. So it comes with the security house here where your security can stay. So you can see that this is a superb one. And look at the way we beautify the front of the house. Look at the side of the house, and we have our swimming pool here. Let's check the swimming pool together. So you can see that the finishing here is top notch. This is a superb one. You don't want to miss out on this offer. So just call me and tell me your offer and we'll work on it for you. This is 290 million naira. This is a contemporary home. This is 5-bedroom with a BQ and a swimming pool. This is fully detached duplex. So here's the swimming pool here. So you can see this is so beautiful. You have your privacy here. So why not? This is a very good one. And we also have our BQ here. So this is the BQ. So you can see that the BQ is en suite also. It comes with the toilet and the bathroom. So this is a very good one. So let's go inside so you get to see the interior. This is spacious and this is going for 290 million. So I'm taking you in now. So this is it. This is our living room, and it is a smart one. It has a smart biometric fingerprint where you can open the door on your own. This is to ensure that this is secure. If you don't give anyone authorization to your home, they can't have access to your home. So welcome home. This is our living room, and you can see how spacious this is. This is fantastic. And we have our visitors toilet here. This is the visitors toilet, and it comes with the washing hand basin, the WC. I can see, of course, it comes with the mirror. So this is a very good one. I said this has smart features. This is a very good one. This is the living room, and you can see how spacious this is. And of course, this is the space for your dining. This is the space for your dining, and this is superb. This is 5-bedroom fully detached duplex with a swimming pool and a BQ. This is fantastic. And also this is our kitchen here. So this is the madam's kitchen. You can see how spacious this is. This is the center table where you can cut your vegetables. You can even actually have your breakfast here, you know. This is a very good one. It's coming with all of these partitions, and this is a good one here. This is a good one. It's coming with the water heater, and it's coming with the zinc. This is a beautiful one. Look at, it's coming with the washing machine, and it's coming with this gas stove and the heat extractor. It is also coming with a double door freezer, and it's coming with the microwave and the oven. This is cash and carry. You pay today and you move in today. Hope you notice the lightning here. You can see that this is a beautiful one. This is a Lekki toll gate. This is the second toll gate, and we have hospitals here, we have schools here, we have a lot of good shopping malls around there. You don't want to miss out on this. And of course, we have our pantry here, and this comes with a solar. Look at this, our inverter here. So you can see that it's coming with this home, and all of this is going for 290 million naira. You don't want to miss out on this offer. So let's go upstairs so you can see what the bedrooms look like. Come with me. And you can see this light, as you go up, the light comes up. So this is a very good one. Look at the stairs. This is a contemporary design. This is a beautiful one, and you don't want to miss out of this. So welcome upstairs. This is our mini lounge. This is the mini lounge here, where you can have your furniture, you can have a sit house here, you can decide to relax here if you don't want to go downstairs. This is beautiful. This is so good. So let me take you to the master bedroom. Of course, you can call it the primary room also. So welcome to the master bedroom. So this is very spacious, and look at this. This comes with glass window where you can even see what is going on in your surrounding, and it has a very good ventilation. So this is our walk-in closet, so you can see how big and beautiful this is. So this is fantastic, and it's ensuite. It comes with the toilet and the bathroom. So this is the toilet and the bathroom. It's coming with the jacuzzi, the shower cubicle, the WC, and of course the washing hand basin. This is fantastic. This is a good one here, and I'm sure you don't want to miss out on this. I'll be taking you to the other 3 rooms upstairs, because we have the visitors room downstairs, which I'll show you before the end of this video. So this is one of the rooms here. This is the second room upstairs, and it's ensuite. It comes with the WC, the washing hand basin, and the shower cubicle. This is a superb one. Here in the houses of Lekki, Lagos State, Nigeria. I want you to call the number showing on your screen now, right now. Give me your offer so we can help you lock down this unit. This is cash and carry, and this is a fantastic offer going for 290 million naira. I have 2 other rooms there, so come with me. Look at this. Is also coming with the wardrobe. I can see that it's very spacious, and it's ensuite. It comes with the shower cubicle, the WC, and the washing hand basin. Of course, it's coming with the water heater. There's also space for your air condition in this place. So this is a very good one. You can see that it has all of this switch, and the finishing is superb. This is the 4th bedroom upstairs. So you can see it's also spacious, and it's coming with the wardrobe. This is ensuite, and it's coming with the shower cubicle. You can see this is spacious. It's coming with the shower cubicle, the WC, the washing hand basin, and the mirror. Of course, it's coming with the water heater also. So this is going for 290 million naira in Lekki Tollgate, Lagos State, Nigeria. This is a fantastic offer that you don't want to miss out on. So just give me a call today and give me the offer, and we'll work on it for you. This is a fantastic offer. This is so good. So I'll be taking you to the visitor's bedroom that is downstairs, so you can see it also. So this is fantastic. So let's go. So this is the visitor's bedroom downstairs, and you can see it is very spacious. It's also coming with the wardrobe, and it's ensuite. It comes with the WC, the shower cubicle, and the washing hand basin. This is the best time for you to key into this. This is the time you should call us right away. I don't want you to miss out on this offer. This is going for 290 million naira. This is 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex with a big queue and a swimming pool. This is fantastic. This is a contemporary design. This is a smart home. This is the best time for you to key into this, and of course it has an hospital very close to this place. Even school is here, and a lot of landmarks that gives your investment or your home a good value. You don't want to miss out on this, and very close to the Lekki Expressway. In few seconds you're already on the Lekki Expressway. So the best time to key into this is now. This is 290 million naira. Cash and carry. You pay in today, you move in today. My name is Ojelabi Ayomide from Salesville Properties, and if you are coming across our channel for the first time, do well to subscribe and turn on your bell notification. Follow us on all our social media handles at Salesville Properties. Yes, this is the channel where you'll be getting juicy deals, good offers like this. And you can also do well to visit our Instagram handles for more beautiful homes like this in Lagos State, Nigeria. Contemporary homes, beautiful homes that are very spacious and are smart. The best time to do this is now. This is 290 million naira. Don't forget, it's 5-bedroom, fully detached duplex with a big queue and a swimming pool. Very spacious, and this is a contemporary home for you. Call the number showing on your screen today. It is boldly displayed there. So call us today, and let's help you get this edifice, this beautiful home, and I'm sure a trial will convince you. Thanks for watching. God bless you.